Thank you. Ow! Ugh, a bagel with locks. That's pretty funny. Dear Tim and Moby, what's the difference between a synonym, an antonym, and a homonym? From Gogol. Let's take care of homonyms first. Homonyms are pairs of words that have different meanings, but are spelled or pronounced the same. Homonyms that sound the same are called homophones. Homonyms that are spelled the same are called homographs. Let's take the three words bass, bass, and bass. Bass and bass are homographs. They're spelled the same, but they have different meanings. Bass and bass are homophones. They sound the same, but have different spellings and meanings. Well, you can usually tell which homophone the speaker means by listening to the rest of the sentence. If I say, I slid into third base, can you tell which of the two homophones I mean? That's right, it's B-A-S-E. Synonyms aren't so confusing. They're just words that mean the same thing, like gigantic and huge. Both words are adjectives meaning big. They're what we call synonymous. You try it. Let's take the word brave. Which of these three words is a synonym for brave? Let's look at intelligent. It means the same thing as smart, which isn't synonymous with brave. On to dangerous. Dangerous describes something that might cause loss or injury, so we can cross that off. We're left with courageous. Courageous describes a person ready to face danger. That sounds synonymous with brave, don't you think? That's true. There can be more than two synonyms, just like there can be more than two homonyms. I can think of lots of synonyms for brave, like gutsy, fearless, and bold. I was just getting to that. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite of each other. Like, say, fast and slow. Stop and go. Love and hate. Just like synonyms, any word can have lots of antonyms. Let's take the adjective clean. You can probably think of a ton of antonyms for clean, like dirty, filthy, grimy, dusty, foul, muddy, unwashed. The list goes on and on. Yeah, you're right. Words that mean opposite things can be called antonymous to each other. It's not as commonly used as the word synonymous, though. By the way, can I please have my bagel with L-O-X now? Kinda hungry here. You're trying to think of a homonym for bagel, aren't you?
So just like we just seen, homonyms are words that have the same sound and or spelling, but different meanings. And then we can split homonyms into two different types. There are homophones, which are words that sound the same, but have different spelling, such as see, as in I see the school, or sea as in the ocean. And then there are homographs. These are words that sound different but have the same spelling, such as bow, like a bow you wear in your hair, and bow, like you were bowing to someone. Also in that Brain Pop video, we learned that synonyms mean the same. So start and begin mean the same. Pretty and lovely, quick and fast, large and enormous, scared, frightened. So all of these words mean the same thing. They're just different ways to say it. And antonyms mean the opposite. Loud is the opposite of soft. Fast is the opposite of slow. Several is the opposite of few. Front is the opposite of back, and so on. So what we are going to do with all of this knowledge that we just gained, we're going to go right over here to our word study game. So this is Furious Frogs, and it is going to cover antonyms, synonyms, and homonyms. So you'll click play, you'll type your name, and you should see your name there. You'll click play now, then choose your player, click start, and then you're looking for the antonym for before. So the opposite of before is after. The antonym of sit would be stand. And so here is telling you what you're looking for, and that's the word that you're looking for the opposite of. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know. If you notice here, there is a time. So after this time is up, you're going to move on to, after the entire game is up, you're going to move on to your assignment.